Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the air filter on a BMW X5 E70. First, gather your tools, including a Torx T20 screwdriver and a new air filter. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve engine performance and fuel efficiency, making it a worthwhile DIY project. Next, you'll need to access the air filter housing. Begin by carefully removing the engine cover. It's usually held in place by a few clips or bolts, so take your time. Once the cover is off, you'll clearly see the large air filter box. Remember to take care not to damage any surrounding components or wiring during this step. Now it's time to replace the filter itself. Use your Torx T20 screwdriver to loosen the screws securing the air filter housing. There are typically 5 to 7 screws. Open the housing and gently pull out the old filter. Notice how dirty it is. Place the new filter into the housing, making sure it sits correctly and creates a good seal. Finally, reassemble everything. Close the air filter housing and tighten all the screws or clips you removed earlier. Then, carefully place the engine cover back into its original position, ensuring it's securely fastened. Start your BMW X5 E70 and listen for any unusual sounds. You've successfully changed your air filter, improving your vehicle's health.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.